It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80.
Alert! That's tornado warning! Alert! Here we go! Ah! SVR.
Northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey. Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Holly, 15 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Wrong station.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Willingboro, Lumberton, Burlington, Mount Holly, Residential Lakes Estates, Lakehurst, Beverly, and we're 15 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarters to the field. The following highways, New Jersey Turnpike, exit 5, lighting, interstates, and power lines. Locations and townships include Wilbur. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. Torrential rainfall. West Town, Newport Town, Chatsworth. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. Beverly, Pemberton, Town, Newport Town, Chatsworth, Jacksonville, Residential Lakes, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Highway 23, Browns Mills, Johnstone, Columbus, and Warren Halfway. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near exit 5. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean.
God bless Victoria. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean.
The National Weather Service, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Presidential.
Lorendale office.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey,
Let's go get WXM60.
Residential Lakes Estates, Surf City, Residential Lakes Estates, Surf City, Residential Lakes, Denver Lakes, Winfield, Mass River State Forest, Woods Road, Old Parkway, King Forest, Cedar Glen Lakes, Holiday City Berkeley, Mystic Island, South South River, Ocean Acres, mile markers 55 and 80. Broadway, mile markers 55 and 80. For your protection, for your room on the lower floor of the building. Keep the front ground light indicator will storm, and the storm will affect the beaches. For your safety, the big ball police and 2 children. And then, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and leading to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. for the following counties. Burlington and 75 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches.
Burlington and Ocean.
Keep shelter indoors. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and leading to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following
counties in New Jersey. Burlington and Ocean.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Orange County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Camp Earth, 22 miles southwest of Tom's River, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicle. This is a severe thunderstorm warning.
Southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 6:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Camp Earth, 22 miles southwest of Tom's River, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour.
Southway, Penn State Forest, west, Mystic Island, Ocean 8.
23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Camp Earth, 22 miles southwest of Tom's River, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. With this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches. For your safety,
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, leading to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, east central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over one road for 18 miles southwest of Tom's River, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 6:09 p.m., a 65 miles per hour wind gust was reported at the Shipbottom Mesonet weather station.
Welcome.
Intact, minor damage to vehicles if possible.
7:30 p.m.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ocean County, Brookville. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m. Northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Turning south. For your safety, immediately move off the the beach and seek shelter indoors. Torrential is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. West, Ocean Acres. For your safety,
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm
until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean.
Southeastern Ocean County in southern Jersey, east central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 2:30 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warren Grove, or 20 miles south of Toms River, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: public. At 7:07 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported in Beach Haven West.
Ocean County and southern
Minor damage.
Central Burlington County and southern County at 7:24 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Warren Grove.
Locations include Barnegat City, Mass River State Forest, Warren Grove, Penn State Forest, Beach Haven West, Monahauken, Ocean Acres, and Waretown. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 56 and 70. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches. For your safety, immediately move off the beach and seek shelter indoors. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean.
For your safety, immediately move off the beach and seek shelter indoors. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
People outside should move immediately to shelter flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. Do not drive your vehicle. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean.
Tornado warning!
in Mount Holly, New Jersey at
8:30 p.m.
What?
8:02 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located over Mass River State Forest for 18 miles north of the northeast.
25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size. Source: Mount Holly, New Jersey.
What?
Warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey.
In southern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Banff River State Forest, or 18 miles north of Atlantic City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Central Ocean County in southern New
Tornado
Jersey.
and quarter-size hail. In Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bass River State Forest, or 18 miles north of Atlantic City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh, wait, WTEL should be going for this. I hope I'm right.
Contact your local. Keep on near Great Bay and Little Lake.
There goes WHYY.
The seeking of God is the lifelong pursuit of the believer.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bass River State Forest, or 18 miles north of Atlantic City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. TRA.
Okay, there goes Odyssey.
The National Weather Service in Whitehall, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for South Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bass River State Forest, or 18 miles north of Atlantic City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: indicated rotation.
I think the TV's going.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those who
Right, because the rolling behind the portion of the water.
Isn't Burlington kind of the biggest county geographically in New Jersey?
Well, yeah, actually, if you think about it, the borders Atlantic or
Well, because from here all the way down to almost Detroit.
right, and then, well, and it does get close to ocean,
Right.
borders ocean, not it.
I was gonna say,
Mercer County
it's like halfway through Burlington County, and that's 25 minutes from here.
Plus it's not near,
Like, you have an hour ride, you're not moving more than Oh, yeah, but so raising pains if I was to drive here as a 10 minutes from here. Where'd you come in? You tell them where we live at? Yeah, did you tell them it? Did you know stories?